Hey guys, so I wanted to do a review and tutorial on these Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes. I have never used a makeup remover, and I'm getting ready for a New Year's Eve party, so I wanted to test them out. This is the new makeup remover cleansing towelette, fragrance free, ultra soft cloth, effective formula, gently dissolves all traces of makeup, even waterproof mascara. And there's 25 little towelette sheets or whatever. So I haven't even opened it up. I got it at Walmart. So here we go. There's a little tab, as you can see. I'm gonna pull that. As you can see, my hands are a mess because I put root touch up on my hair. So here's a couple. I just pulled them out, and I already got dye on them. So see how I got dye. Oh, it's really working. See how it's working? That's all my makeup so far on just one little area. May have to use 2 of these to get it off. Sorry, I'm looking up in the mirror so I can get all of it off. I'm gonna open it up. I like these. See how it's coming my eyes? Oh, I got my nose ring. I totally recommend this. That's just one little thing, and they're disposable, so you can throw them away when you're done. That's the nice thing. My friends always tell me, you need to remove your makeup at night, but did I listen? Not till now. So that's pretty much my whole face. I like these. I would totally recommend them. Make sure I got all of it off, and they don't smell. So if you have sensitive skin like I do, I would recommend it, but maybe it's not for everyone, so don't quote me on that. It's my first time, like I said, using it. So, yeah. So don't come back at me and be like, you said it's for sensitive skin. So, yeah. And it does take the mascara off. So, I thought I was going to have to use 2, but here's just one. Like I said before, I totally recommend. It's by Neutrogena. I can't even say it right. Yeah. So I totally recommend this product, and I will probably go back to Walmart or Target and pick it up. I'm pretty sure you can pick it up anywhere: Target, Walgreens, Walmart, your local drugstore. I don't know if the grocery store would have them. So, see, all my makeup's gone now. So, thanks for watching, and please hit this like button and subscribe to our channel.